Hey guys, I'm going to do something a little different today. I just picked up the Fifine Technology Model 669B microphone. I'm really trying to improve the audio quality of my videos. I'm a small YouTuber, as you know, and even my webcam's not the greatest here. It's a little Logitech. It's blurry. I tried for the last half hour to actually get the video a little better. I have it balanced on a dog food container, not lying to you. But anyway, let's open the box, see what's in it. I did take the padding out of it already, and let's get this thing open. It comes with the Fifine Technology little card here, basically showing their website. On the back, it's thanking you for buying their product. And again, I do apologize for the video quality here. I'm not a professional by any means. You got the user's guide. You can see the microphone comes in two different colors. It's supposed to be red, but it actually looks like pink. You have the microphone itself, which looks pretty nice. Has an adjustable volume control. The USB cable is attached, so if it does go bad, you're not going to be able to replace that. And it also comes with a nice little tripod here. But anyhow, I'm going to hook this thing up if I could figure it out, and if I don't figure it out, you're never going to see this video. So anyway, I'm going to switch over from the cheap headset audio that I have, and I hope this Fifine microphone really improves my audio quality here. So the next time you hear me, I'm going to be using the Fifine microphone. Hey guys, as you can see, I did get the Fifine microphone figured out here. It was pretty easy to set up. It was plug and play, no drivers needed. It defaulted to this microphone as soon as I plugged it in. The microphone volume on this is at 100%, and I'm exactly 12 inches away. I used the measuring tape to figure that out. So I think my overall audio quality did improve. It was a cheap microphone. I only paid $30 US on Amazon.com for this thing, and if you're a small YouTuber like me trying to improve your equipment, maybe this is the right microphone for you, maybe it's not. You could just tell by my audio quality, I have nothing basically making it better. I didn't use any filters. It's just raw microphone footage here. I'm going to move back to 20 inches to show you how it sounds back. I'm at 20 inches right now, so you could see the difference in the audio quality. Now I'm going to move to 6 inches. I'm at 6 inches, and you could see my ugly mug in the picture here. So anyway, guys, going back to the 12 inches, doesn't sound too bad. I'm going to actually get some Fortnite Save the World video footage here and see how the microphone sounds in-game. So, all right, let's test this thing out. All right, guys, what everyone's here to see, how does this perform playing a game and doing a video review or whatnot. I'm playing some Destroy the Encampments here in Fortnite Save the World using the Fifine microphone. I have the headset microphone disabled right now, so I think my audio quality overall has improved, especially for a $30 microphone. It's not bad. Definitely not professional level by any means, so you're gonna have to make up your own mind whether or not you want to buy the microphone or not. So thank you for putting up with my bad video quality in the beginning. Like I said, I had my cheap old webcam balanced on a dog food container, and you just gotta laugh, Dad. You gotta make do with what you have. So you gotta have some fun in life. As I'm getting lit up by these mist monsters here, I am definitely gonna pick something up that's much better down the line, but for now this will serve its purpose. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying the channel so far, and please subscribe. I appreciate it. If you're enjoying the channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's located right down there in the corner. And ask me anything you want in the comments section. I'd be happy to help you out, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.